Aside from an oil-based spray paint, you'll also need a pair of protective gloves and a container that you don't mind getting paint residue in. To create your own pattern with multiple colors of spray paint, you can use a wooden paint stick. Many do-it-yourselfers turn to this technique as a way to paint shoes and other difficult-shaped objects. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best spray paint for hydro dipping. So let's get started.
Master paint.
Number 5. Rust-Oleum 342062. Rust-Oleum is a renowned brand in the paint industry for producing high-quality paint. And there is no exception with Rust-Oleum 342062 Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover. If you want to use spray paint for hydro dripping that will last longer than ever, then Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover should be on your list. You can dip any object into the Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover paint, whether it's plastic, wood, metal, or unglazed ceramics. It will give you a superior quality finish. You can also use this spray paint for any indoor or outdoor surface. As you will have to dip your object into the water for hydro dripping, it may take a bit longer to dry the surface. But amazingly, Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover acrylic paint dries only within 20 minutes. Also, the oil-based formula of this spray paint makes sure that the water doesn't stick to the surface for long. Number 4. Krylon K05160107. If you are looking for a spray painter for extensive coverage, Krylon Color Master Paint will be a worthy choice. This spray paint has different types of colors to match your needs. You can use this spray paint on any surfaces such as plastic, metal, and wood. But it works really well when it comes to automotive accessories, auto parts, replacement, and performance parts. While customizing your car by hydro dipping, you have to drip part by part as you cannot drip the whole car. So it's a good suit for people who want to customize their car by hydro dripping. Krylon Color Master Paint will also save you time because it dries only within 10 minutes. And this is faster than Rust-Oleum 342062. Number 3. Castle Art Supplies Fabric Paint Set. This bright and vibrant set of 24 different color paints will give you all you need to create some exciting and colorful hydro dipping projects. The paints dry with a 3D effect, which really does bring your pieces to life. While these are fabric paints, they can also be used on wood, glass, and other substrates. Being quick drying, it is a pleasure to use these paints for hydro dipping, as there is not much time needed for the item to sit and dry after being dipped. It is also child-friendly and non-toxic, so it can provide a hydro dipping experience for the whole family. Included with the 24 paints are 3 bonus brushes, which can be used to create a marbled effect on the water. Number 2. Krylon Color Max Spray Paint. Krylon is a household name and widely available across the country. It's good for hydro dipping because it's simply about 2 things: colors and surfaces. Krylon's Color Max is available in 89 colors and adheres to any surface: wood, metal, fabric, glass, ceramic, you name it. This is a great starter paint for those new to hydro dipping. Chances are you might already have some of this, or Rust-Oleum, lying around at home. The big button technology allows you to spray comfortably without having to worry about controlling pressure. Between these 3 brands, there should be a spray paint suitable to anyone looking to hydro dip, tailored to their needs, and easily available where they are. As long as your spray paint is oil or synthetic based, your hydro dipping project should go smoothly. Number 1. Rust-Oleum 284678. Spray paint products with oil-based formulas are best for hydro dipping, but the best option that we've found on the market is the Rust-Oleum 284678 Stops Rust Spray Paint. This spray paint is one of the most durable options for indoor and outdoor projects. Painted surfaces are resistant to abrasion, fading, and chipping, and this will extend the lifetime of any item. The oil-based formula is also designed to be weather and corrosion resistant, which gives you more freedom to adapt the hydro dipping technique to various surfaces. Whether painting on wood, metal, concrete, masonry, or another material, this is a great quality spray paint option to choose. The dry time takes about 2 to 4 hours, and the spray can itself has a coverage span of up to 15 square feet. That was our list of the top 5 best spray paint for hydro dipping just for you.